What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. It's calculated by the formula K=1 mv/. Where does kinetic energy come from? Natural phenomena showcase kinetic energy. First, we look at wind energy. Wind transfers kinetic energy to turbines. Next, consider water flow. Kinetic energy drives water turbines in dams. Animals use kinetic energy in their movement. Birds dive to catch prey using kinetic energy. Human activities also harness kinetic energy. Kinetic energy in sports can be dramatic. Sports cars illustrate kinetic energy's power. Kinetic energy has engineering applications. Roller coasters use kinetic energy for fun. Wind farms are an example of energy sustainability. Kinetic energy contributes to climate solution. Understanding kinetic energy helps us innovate. Kinetic energy is vital in our dynamic world.